Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so I hope you all had a very nice day today. So today is actually the 27th of April, a Monday. So a Monday we had to go to school, many things we had to do. We had to do a lot of things. Maybe some people had exams. Maybe their your first exams began. But anyway, we all will be having fun because it's a new grade. We are learning new things every day, so it's going to be fun. So anyway, what you have to do today is, you first of all you have to watch the show. You can get more information from my topic for today, and then also, you can also call me at 0529611333, or also you can call at 0501496064. So you can call on any one number, and you can see the number on the screen right now, and also you can send SMS on which cartoons you would like to see, or any extra information or fact that I missed out on my topic for today, something like that. So you can actually SMS that to 3537. And also, when you're calling me, you can maybe prepare a short song or something, some sort of like that, something like that. So you can prepare a short song, or maybe a small piece, small piece from a story or a poem, something like that. So something creative, something that you are, you're very good at, like that. Okay, so anyway, now let's begin the show with a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello. What's your name?
Ishani.
Ishani. How are you?
Fine.
Ishani, how was your day?
Good.
You have called me before also, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ishani, which grade are you in?
Now grade 2.
Now you are in grade 2. Okay, so what did you learn today, Ishani?
I learned many things.
Okay, so tell any one thing that you learned.
Maths.
Maths, what did you learn?
Maths I learned before and after.
Before and after. Okay, so if they give you a number like 39 and they'll ask you what is after 39, like that.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, what is the answer? What is what is before 40?
40. 39.
Correct answer. So you learned very thoroughly, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can expect some more questions from me.
Yes.
So Ishani is full ready, right? She can answer any question I ask. Okay, so Ishani, why don't you sing a small rhyme for me?
What?
A rhyme. Why don't you sing a rhyme for me? Recite a rhyme.
Okay.
Okay, so which rhyme are you going to sing today?
I'm going to sing a plant song.
Okay, so a plant song. Okay, anyway, you can start.
Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, pulmahar, eucalyptus, yoga.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you would repeat once when you were, there were more. But anyway, it was very nice one. I actually not heard this one before also. So can you sing that once more?
What?
Can you sing that once more?
Okay.
Okay.
Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, pulmahar, eucalyptus, yoga.
Okay, very good. So I like this rhyme, okay? So who taught you this rhyme?
When I was in old school, grade 1, I studied from there.
Okay, so your teachers and all taught you, right?
Yes, my
Okay.
music teacher.
Your music teacher taught you. Okay, very good, Ishani. So now let's go for a game.
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Any game.
Any game. Okay, then maybe we'll play a riddle game.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want a very tough riddle, because Ishani can take, very tough ones, or maybe easy one, like a normal one.
Okay.
So you want a normal one?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, so what's black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? What is black when it's clean and it is white when it's dirty? Did you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, but I think little tough. little tricky question.
Yes.
This
I think I want connection game.
connection game. Okay. So okay. So now only you made up your mind you want to play connection game.
Yes.
Okay. So you start then. You know how to play connection game?
What?
Do you know how to play connection game?
Yes.
Okay. Then you start.
Card.
Card.
Card. Yes.
D. Doll.
L. Lotus.
Lotus. S. Singing. Now you have to tell about the G.
G. Gorilla.
Gorilla. A. Ant. T.
Tiger.
Tiger. R. Road. D.
D. Door.
Door. R. Ring.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay, so anyway, it was a very nice game. I hope you enjoyed it, Ishani.
Yes.
Okay, so anyway, Ishani, tomorrow also you'll call?
Maybe.
Okay, maybe. So, according to, depends. How, if you have homework, you have to do your homework like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, but still you have to watch, okay? Watch the show.
Yes.
Okay, Ishani, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Ishani who called us. She's always very active. She's always in the very good mood. She'll sing a rhyme for us, everything like that. Okay, so I told you our topic for today is actually a place. So this place is actually this place is the home to one of the most famous paintings in this world. That is a Mona Lisa. And also it has many good places like the Mont Saint Michel. That is one of the most oldest and visited recognizable site in this place. So now you must have got a little anyway, now one of the towers over there, I'll show you can see a picture of a tower there. So now you can see the picture of the tower. Now you all must have guessed which place I am going to talk about today. Yes, today I am going to talk about France. Because France, Eiffel Tower is actually located in France. So it has a little bit clue I gave you. So anyway, the Eiffel Tower is actually really beautiful at night too, and you can see the picture only. You can see how beautiful it is. So that is one of that is how we remember France like that. Okay, so anyway, France is actually a united sovereign state. A sovereign state is actually a state which which is ruled by the people, the government inside them itself, without any interference of power from other countries. So they don't have any interferences of powers among other countries. The rule is by the own country, by their own kingdom, like that. So monarchy, like that. So that is it's a united sovereign state comprising territory among the West and the East Europe, and also it has several overseas regions and tropical regions. And the Constitution of France. So the Constitution of France establishes the country as a secular country, which is the people is safe to live there, and also it's a democratic, which it is democratic country is actually a country which is ruled by the people. Not literally ruled by the people. It's like the people choose their representatives. Even India is a democratic country where the Indians have the rights to protest against anything like that. So that is what you call a democratic country. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Parvati.
Parvati. Okay, Parvati, which grade are you in?
I am in first.
You are in first grade. Okay, Parvati, which school are you in?
Indian school.
Indian school, where?
Dubai.
Dubai, okay. So you'll have a lot of friends in your school, right?
Yes, I have lot of friends.
Okay, you have a lot of friends. When I said friends only, Parvati got very happy. She got excited. So
yes.
yes, okay. So you have a lot of friends, right?
Yeah, I have lot of friends and I love playing with them.
Okay, so you love playing with your friends, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Parvati, what are your hobbies?
I like to draw. I like to paint.
Okay, so you like to paint. What
Yeah.
you like to paint. First you draw, then you paint the picture, or you take printed pictures and then you paint it like that.
No, I draw small pictures what my mommy gives me.
Okay, so why don't you send some of those pictures to us? You can send
Sure,
it.
I'll do that.
So if your mother is watching, you can tell her to send some pictures of your paintings. So the email ID is actually kiddokids@ntvua.com.
Sure, I'll do that next time.
Okay. So anyway, so I hope I'll be receiving many pictures from you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So who helps you? Who taught you painting? Who helps you in this?
My brother Pranav.
Your brother Pranav. Okay.
Yeah.
So how old is Pranav?
He is 14.
He's 14. Okay. Which grade is he in now?
I think 4th.
He's in 4th grade.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, so you told me that you paint and you like painting. I like that.
Yeah.
So
I like dancing also.
you like dancing also. So you go for dancing, classes.
No, I watch TV and I dance in the with the music in the TV.
Okay. So you like dancing with the music in the TV.
Yeah, I like Deepika Padukone dancing.
Okay. So like that dancing you like.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So
Thank you.
okay. So anyway,
Which class
Parvati,
are you in?
I am in 8th grade.
Wow, good.
Okay. So Parvati, now let's play a game.
Yeah.
Okay. Which game do you want to play?
Connection game.
Connection game, but connection game is over.
Uh,
Now I have
Okay,
GK
okay.
questions, riddle questions, spelling game, sentence making, dictionary, tongue twister, atlas,
spelling game.
spelling game. Okay, so tell me the correct spelling of design.
What design? D-E-S-I-G-N.
D E S I G N. Are you sure it's correct?
Yes.
Yes, it is the correct answer.
Yay!
Okay, very excited, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Parvati, tomorrow also will call?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, so that was Parvati who called us. A little jumpy one. She's very excited. She, first of all, when she heard about her friends only, she got very excited. Okay, so now before we go into more details into France, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya. Tanya, how are you?
Fine.
It's been long since you called.
Yeah.
So, what happened? Exams.
Because I went to India and all.
Okay, so you went to India. That's why you couldn't call.
Yeah.
So, why you went to India? Maybe for the vacations, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you must have had a lot of fun in India.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Tanya, which grade are you in now?
8.
You're in 8th grade, big girl, right? So, Tanya, so are you enjoying your lessons and all? Because maybe you just recently came back from India, right?
Yeah.
So, you have a lot to, catch on.
Yeah, I completed everything.
Okay, you completed everything because the teachers must have started on the first day itself. Even my teachers actually, they started on the first day itself.
Huh.
Okay, so anyway, Tanya, how was 8th grade? How are the chapters very tough or easy?
Yeah, it's easy only.
It's easy, but I can't say, I can't ask that question right now. After 6 months and all, I'll ask that question, approach won't be the same.
Even you are in 8th, right?
Even I'm in 8th. So even if you ask me, my approach also won't be the same. Okay, so anyway, Tanya, now why don't you you just came back from India and also why don't you sing a song?
No, I'm having cold now.
Okay, cold. You got cold from India and came up from here.
Yeah, I'm having fever also. I was fine.
Okay, so no problem. Next time, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, anyway, Tanya, now let's go for a game.
yeah.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
What are left now?
Now I have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling game, dictionary game, tongue twister, atlas,
Okay, spelling.
spelling game. I had a doubt you'll do that. So actually, spelling game is over.
Okay, what else now?
Okay, maybe I'll give you a spelling then.
Yeah,
Okay, so tell me the correct spelling of prestigious.
prestigious.
Yeah, prestigious.
Okay, PR,
P-R-E-S-T-I-G-I.
ES, TI, GI, OUS.
O-U-S. Are you sure it's correct?
Yeah,
Prestigious. Yes, it is the correct answer.
yeah.
Okay, so very good. And anyway, Tanya, thank you for calling. So,
welcome.
anyway, thank you for calling and bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Tanya who called us after a long time she called, and she also got a bit of a fever. Nowadays, most of the people get because from winter we are coming to the summer season, so this change is actually causing this fever. So that many people have fever like that. So then now today our topic is France. So now France, I told you what type of government is there in France. So now we'll go to the climate of France. What type of climate is there in France? Is it very cold? But actually there are three types of climate in France. First is the tropical climate that is there in the overseas areas, in the regions, because in these places it's high constant temperatures throughout the year with a dry and wet season. So in this overseas area, if you're going for vacation or something to France, you better not go to like these places, because that time you won't get to enjoy that France. There'll be like most throughout the year it'll be dry and wet seasons. Then you have the equatorial climate, that is, this climate is actually neither too hot nor too cold. So this is a perfect place where you can stay for your holidays, and also it's mainly there in the French Guiana. It's here also it's high constant temperature throughout the year with even precipitation. That is precipitation is actually rain, snow, hail, like that. So here it sometimes will snow, but most of the time it rains. And also then we have the subpolar climate in Saint Pierre and Miquelon. So in this place is subpolar. From the name itself we can find out that it's really cold here. So this is it has most of the French southern and Antarctic lands are here, and it has short mild summers and long harsh winters, this subpolar place. So this is actually the climate of France. So France, it's a very beautiful place to go. There's a lot of things to see there. We have, first of all, you can go to the most visited museum in the world. There's a Louvre. So in the Louvre you can see, you can even see the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is a very famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci, and you get to see it face to face. So that is also a very once in a lifetime opportunity. And also it's actually the Mona Lisa is the best known work of art. It's like it has a lot of elements that is related to maths, physics, everything like that. Suppose if you check for maths, there the golden ratio. The face of Mona Lisa is actually drawn in the in the golden ratio. But maybe if small children won't know what is the golden ratio. So when you get to know, you'll understand what is golden ratio. So golden ratio is also it's there in that picture, and it's very beautiful there. So actually France, another one fact of France is the first country. France was one of the first countries to create an environment ministry. So they were the first countries to have the environment ministry in their government. So though it is actually one of the most industrialized countries in the world also. It had its ministry in 1971, but still this France is actually one of the most industrialized country in the world, and it is 17th by carbon footprint, like that, carbon dioxide emissions, behind less populous nations such as Canada and Australia. This happened because this industrialization took place because of the nuclear power that was actually generated following the 1973 crude oil crisis. So because of the oil crisis in 1973, they had to establish nuclear power and all in their country. So this caused to the lead for industrialization. And also it now accounts 75% of its electricity production and results in less pollution because of the nuclear power. So this is also actually a good thing for the country. So the Mona, I told you, if you go there, you have to see the Mona Lisa, very beautiful painting. So anyway, now before we go into more information, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Minha.
Minha. How are you, Minha?
I'm fine.
Minha, I was expecting you would call me today. So Minha, today just think of a rhyme in your mind, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so afterwards you can sing. So Minha, which grade are you in now?
I'm in third standard.
You're in third standard, very big girl. So third standard, so you will be feeling very responsible and all now, right?
Yes.
You can take up responsibilities, but your parents will be scared to give you that much big responsibilities.
Yes.
Okay, Minha, now how was your school today?
Nice.
Nice. So you had fun at school?
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, Minha, now let's go for the rhyme.
Okay.
Okay, so sing that rhyme for me.
It's time to make some Thank you.
Very good. So who taught you this?
I learned this from my school.
Okay, you learned it from your school.
Yes.
Okay, so very good, Minha. So now let's go for a game.
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Riddle.
Riddles. Okay, but actually, okay, and then let's go for the riddle.
Okay.
Okay, so your riddle is, I have actually, maybe we'll give a different one. What kind of dress can never be worn? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, what, Minha? Your riddle is, what kind of dress can never be worn? It's a common riddle, it's an easy one.
Bottom.
I didn't hear you?
Bottle.
No. Okay, no problem. I'll give you the answer then.
Okay.
The answer is address.
Apple.
Address. Address of a place, like address of your house, like that. Okay, so anyway, Minna, at least you tried, right? So no problem. Okay, so anyway, Minna, thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Minha who called us. And anyway, now let's go for a short rhyme. So, I hope you all enjoy this rhyme. And also, today my topic is actually France. So, France, France is actually, I told you that the Mont Saint Michel, that is one of the most visited places in France, and that is also it is also on permanent display. It is one of the 39 UNESCO World Heritage Sites too. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. What's your name?
Venna.
I didn't hear your name.
Venna.
Benna. Okay. So how old are you, Benna?
6.
6 years old. So now you're which which grade are you in?
1.
You're in first grade. Very good. Okay. So what are your friends' names, Benna?
Harani. Rachel. Daniel.
Okay, so this many friends. Many friends you have, but your best friends are these, right? Rachel and all. Okay. So anyway, Benna, can you sing a rhyme for me?
Red say stop, green say go, yellow say wait, don't worry, you are just like. When you see the surface, it comes the place to the left and right. You must turn your face, walk, run down the street, and use your head to guide your feet.
Very good. Very nice rhyme. So who taught you this rhyme?
Teacher.
Teacher taught you this rhyme. Okay, very good. So now, anyway, now let's go for a small game. So before the game, what is your favorite color, Benna? Which is your favorite color? Pink. Okay, you like pink so much. So now let's play the game. Okay, so your game is tell me 5 words that starts with I. Five words that starts with I. Simple, right? Okay, then tell me. I didn't hear you. Any word that starts with I. I for maybe can say ink, like that. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. So now you can go and ask your friends some words with I and learn it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, Benna, thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Benna who called us. And anyway, we were talking about France. So France, actually, there is a famous Eiffel Tower which was built by Gustave Eiffel too. Okay, so now anyway, and before I go into more information on Gustave Eiffel, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Ayush.
Ayush, which school are you in?
Bhavin.
Bhavins, okay. So which grade are you in?
5th.
Okay, 5th grade. So
Yeah.
what did you learn today? What did you learn in school today?
Today we learn maths.
Maths. Only maths you learned?
No.
Then what else did you learn?
Science, Hindi,
So,
PE,
in maths, what did you learn today?
like number system, Roman numerals.
Number system, Roman numerals. So it's easy or tough? Roman numerals you have learned before also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, now Ayush, what are your best friends' names?
My best friend's name is Aish. No, sorry, Asher.
No, your name is only Ayush and your best friend's name is also Ayush?
No.
Okay, so he's your best friend. So what are your hobbies, Ayush?
Playing football.
Playing football. Who's your favorite football player?
Messi.
Messi. You like Messi so much. So you want to be like Messi or better than Messi when you grow up?
Better than Messi.
Better than Messi. So, best of luck, okay?
Yeah.
Practice, go for classes, coaching classes and all.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, so Ayush, now let's go for a game.
Okay, which all games you have?
I have GK questions, sentence making, dictionary game, tongue twister and Atlas.
Atlas.
Atlas, okay. And also, if you want to play, you can play tongue twisters.
Atlas I want to play.
Okay, Atlas. So you know how to play Atlas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you start.
Which letter?
Any letter you want.
Singapore.
Singapore, E. England.
D. Dubai.
Dubai, I. Dubai, I. Indonesia.
Indonesia with A.
Yeah, now you have to tell me a place with A.
Africa.
Africa, A. Agra.
Agra. Now I have to do A.
Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, N. Norway.
Y.
Yeah, why?
Yas Island.
Yas Island. But Yas Island is not a country, right?
Okay.
Because, okay, if you tell a, state also no problem, but Yas Island is too small, right?
I can have a help of someone.
Help, okay, with Y. But you need to make it fast.
Yemen.
Yemen, okay, so N. Netherlands.
D.
Eh,
Denmark.
no, now you have to tell with S. Netherlands.
Netherlands and with
Now you have to tell me a place with S because it ends with S.
Hyderabad.
S, not H.
Then
S, S. S for shop.
S.
Yeah, S for shop. So tell me a place with
One.
S. Like, Singapore. You told Singapore, right? So like that, tell me a place with S.
S. South Africa.
South Africa. So anyway, it was a very nice game, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Ayush, thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Ayush who called us. And anyway, our topic for today is France. So France, I told you, there's the Eiffel Tower which was built in the 19th century, and then also Gustave Eiffel is one of the most influential bridge designers of that time also. And also there is a Cannes Film Festival that takes place in France. So now you must have heard this Cannes Film Festival somewhere. Yes, it is used in actually the Mr. Bean movie, Mr. Bean the Holiday. In that movie actually he's trying to go to the Cannes Film Festival. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello. Okay, I guess the call had got dropped. So anyway, France, I told you France, the French cuisine is also it's renowned for being one of the finest in the world too. Okay, so anyway, today our topic for today was France. So France, I hope you all you got a lot of information on France. So anyway, now it's our winding up time. So tomorrow also we'll meet. So tomorrow also I'll come up with a new topic, and next time I come with a new topic, an interesting topic. So you can get more information on that. So anyway, next time we meet. So until then, I'm Elvin signing off.